Okay, so there's a rumour going around that I like cats. Well, I found this one outside, just about to eat a baby's face. Now I thought I'd bring it in to show you why I don't like cats. Number one, they smell. Oh, well, this one smells of cinnamon, so that's not really working. Number two, they don't like being held very much. Yeah, well, this one seems to like being held. Three, they make a lot of noise. Okay, this one doesn't make a lot of noise. Four, they really want to get away from you. So that's number five. Cats up. Cats. Cat. All right. Well, obviously this one's broken, so I'm going to let it out into the wild, where it can frolic with the natural habitat, and I'm sure they'll play happily together, and it won't eat them. So I'll just take it out and let it go. Oh, forgot. All right, so catch ya.